Hey everybody, welcome back to Freedom Garage. Today is the day that we bring the Tesla to the shop for all the body panel issues, the paint that was rubbing between the door panel and the front fender. Wore right off if you saw that in the first video. So we're going to Dedham, Massachusetts, the Tesla dealer there, and we'll see what they say. They better say the right thing. Well, I guess this is a good time to update y'all on the Tesla Model S Plaid 2022 here, brand new. It's 20 days old, and I am frustrated yet looking forward to bringing it to the shop today. So we're going to Dedham, Massachusetts, which is an hour away from where I live, and I found, you know, the body panel issues that I showed on the review. If you haven't seen that, click the button above. But there's a couple issues, and to me they seem like simple issues, but being Tesla, we'll see. The biggest issue is going to be where the paint rubbed right through to the metal on the door panel where the driver's door meets the front fender. So my hope is that they don't need to keep it long, because my other car that you haven't seen yet, that's coming on the channel soon, is at my detailer getting ceramic coated. We'll touch on that when I pick that up. That's another video. But I guess for now we got 53 more minutes to get there. Let's just enjoy the ride. Alright guys, we're here at Tesla. It's Tesla in Dedham, Massachusetts. Let's see what they say. Wish me luck. So it's either he chooses to go with the short ones, or he chooses to go with the longer ones and get TV ones. It's not taking for us to install them. Yeah. And so I would tell them right now, so you just got the dragon, and they're two different sizes. I don't think it wants to. Yeah. Okay. That's what we wanted. Alright guys, so they're going to send mine to the body shop to have it professionally painted and have the body gaps done correctly. So they're giving me a Model 3 dual motor to use. They said 5 to 7 days, so we'll see. Here it is. Air conditioning, first off, it's 100 degrees today and it's about 250 in this car. So Model 3, I actually traded in a Model 3 for the Plaid. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do a review on the Model 3, because we're gonna have it for a week, and yeah, it's almost the exact same thing as I had, except this is blue and mine was white. All right guys, well, here we go. I'll let you know when mine comes back. And if you're new to Freedom Garage, most of everybody is because it's a new channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. My goal is to grow this channel and to bring you some of the best cars out there, some of the most horsepower motors, gasoline and electric. There's going to be some cool gas stuff coming, so stay tuned. Some really cool stuff. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.